Alright, hello and welcome to another MathCounts problem tutorial. So today we will be covering problem number 27 in the 2010 chapter sprint round. So let's read through our question. If f of x equals 5x minus 3, g of x equals 3x squared plus 1, and h of x equals f of x plus g of x, what is the sum of the values, x values for which h of x equals 0? Express your answer as a common fraction. Okay, so our first step is to add f of x and g of x to get h of x. So our h of x will be 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. So there is a foolproof formula to find the solutions to this quadratic equation, which is what we have, which is what it's called when we have this x squared. In this quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. For the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now this is a complicated formula, but you will use this formula a lot if you want to do math counts seriously, so you will end up memorizing that, but you want to work with it a lot early so that you can get used to it. So let's plug in our values here. So we plug in 5 for b, so we have negative 5 plus minus. By the way, this plus minus means we have two solutions, one where it's a plus and one where it's a minus. So, and then we have square root 25 minus 4 times 3 for A times negative 2 for C, all over 2 times 3, which is 6. And then we simplify this. This turns into minus 5, 25 minus negative 24, or 49, all over 6, which gives us this. So then our solutions are 2 over 6, which is 1/3, and negative 2. So then the sum of our solutions will be 1/3 minus 2, which is negative 5/3. So, let me tell you something. We wanted the sum of the solutions. There are a set of formulas called Vieta's formulas that are specifically for the sum of the values. So, well, the sum and product. So, the sum of the values will be minus b over a, again for this ax squared plus bx plus c. So if you can see, we would have a minus 5 over 3, which you'll notice is the same as the actual answer. So remember Vieta's formulas for these kinds of sum problems. They're really useful. So let's do another practice problem. So let's say that now g of x is x squared plus 1, and f of x is 5x plus 3. So now what are the solutions that make h of x 0? I will give you a few seconds. This may be where you pause the video. Alright. The answer is negative 5. If you don't know how I got that, you can rewind the video to see how I explained the first problem, or you can keep watching to see how I explain this problem. So, first let's try the quadratic formula. So we have x squared plus 5x plus 4. So we have minus 5 plus minus square root. So we have 25 minus 4 times 4, which is 16, all over 2, which gives us minus 5 plus minus 3 over 2. So our two solutions will be negative 1 and negative 4, which add to negative 5. Our second way could be Vieta's formulas, which again is minus b over a. So we will have minus 5 over 1, which you'll notice is also negative 5. So remember Vieta's formulas as negative b over a. Alright, let me give you a third practice problem, but this time I'm not going to show you the answer or explain it in this video. What I want you to do is work it out by yourself and leave your answer in the comments section so that I can go check it later. So let's say that we have the quadratic equation. Let's say, how about g of x is x squared plus 8, and f of x is, how about minus 6x plus 1, and again h of x equals negative gx, or equals gx plus f of x. So what are the products? So what is the product of the solutions that makes h of x 0? Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about quadratic equations with this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you later. Bye!